Commons label / label for matplotlib subplots. I have the following plot. And now I would like to give this plot common x-axis labels and y-axis labels. With common, I mean that there should be one big x-axis label below the whole grid of subplots, and one big y-axis label to the right. I can't find anything about this in the documentation for plt.subplots, and my Googling suggests that I need to make a big plt.subplot 111 to start with, but how do I then put my 5 times 2 subplots into that using plt.subplots?
This looks like what you actually want. It applies the same approach of this answer to your specific case.
Since I consider it relevant and elegant enough, no need to specify coordinates to place text, I copy, with a slight adaptation, an answer to another related question. This results in the following, with matplotlib version 2.2.0.
New in matplotlib v3.4, pip install matplotlib upgrade. Subs-label and sup-ylabel. See example. See more.
Without char(x) equals true, sherry equals true you get. With it you should get it nicer. But if you want to add additional labels, you should add them only to the edge plots. Adding label for each plot would spoil it. Maybe there is a way to automatically detect repeated labels, but I am not aware of one.